Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the KK TicTank T5, and on this video we are going to explore the custom wallpaper or custom watch faces for the Tank T5. On our previous video we explore on the preloaded watch faces as well as the watch face gallery or the watch face market. This video we are going to focus on the customization of wallpaper or watch face. So if you are interested to see this feature, watch this video, and of course if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the custom wallpaper or custom watch faces section of the Tank T5. So let's put this aside. So to change the custom wallpaper, just look for the option here. It's already available here in the smartwatch, but the option to edit it is available on the support app. So we have here add video to mobile app, and this one add multiple photos in the mobile phone. So we'll select this, then we'll go to the section here, my watch face, tap on customize. We have here a premium watch face and we have a picture dial. For this one, as you can see, you have an option to pick analog or digital. You have an option to adjust the brightness, the color of the text, and the font, the text, the data on the watch face, whether it's analog or digital. Okay, for the analog, options are image brightness and the color of the pointer. The other one, the picture dial, you have an option to change the color here, but the style is only for digital watch faces. You can pick a lot of options, the location, the function above the text. You have an option also here, the function below the text, from date, battery to calories. We'll pick first this one, premium watch face section, and we will pick an analog style. Okay, the image brightness, we'll lower it. Let's select from the album. You have some downloads here. We'll pick this one, check. Then push, and as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait for it. Watch dial is downloading, and we have here the watch face with a dimmed background. What if we switch to digital? You can also switch to digital. Again, analog, digital. You can adjust here the data on the time. The other one, we have the picture dial. So you have an option here to pick, change the background, can take a photo or select from the album. Downloads, we'll pick this one, or maybe we'll change another photo, a much sharper photo. We have downloads. Okay, then check. So this is the preview. We'll change the color of the text here, the location, the data above the text. We have the battery, and below. Okay, so that's the option here for the custom wallpaper. Then save, and as you can see, it's also downloading the watch face in our smartwatch. So let's wait for the completion. Stay on this page. Installation is finished. Again, for this one, the option only is for the digital watch face. So again, we have for the custom watch faces, we have the premium picture watch face and the picture dial. Which do you think is better when it comes to customization for the dial or watch face? So that's it for our tutorial on the custom wallpaper or the custom watch faces for the smartwatch. On our next video, we are going to focus on the custom video, this one. Okay, we have advanced video watch faces. So we'll try this one and see if it works with our smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe.